I know they looking for nothing perfect. My girl, you're the one I'm wanting. My girl, my girl. Put it on me, but so my girl. Sin I won't want to make a my girl. My girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. Sweet melanin, what a fine girl. African queen, yeah, that's my girl. My girl, my girl, my girl. She be sitting like a rose, na 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 na. Checking mommy, don't know how to be what's up. She be the baddest, and the boy awesome. My girl, she be sitting like a rose, na 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 na. Checking mommy, don't know how to be what's up. I ain't better than the boy awesome. Now who better than you, Bad girl, you be all I need. I'ma hold it down and be all I can be. Haven't been around a nigga just like me. You the one I wanna see. Baby girl, you a movie star. Right, my darling, you are starring. Fine brown skin like Louis Vuitton. Yeah, put it on me. Yeah, I'ma put you in a C class so they can see. I'ma put you in a E class so they envy. I'ma put you in a Maybach, become angry. I'ma put you in a Fendi, cause you're fancy. I just hope you understand me. Stand me, oh no. My girl, she be sitting like a rose, na na. Adwuma-Adwuma. She be the baddest, and the boy awesome. My girl, she be sitting like a rose, na I ain't better than the boy awesome. Bad man know they play when I'm in love. I go all out for you. You know, say me, I don't get time to play. And if I say I did for you,
Adwuma-Adwuma.
I know they play at all. And girl, you know I ride till the end. My girl, she be sitting like a rose, na na.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
She be the baddest, and the boy awesome.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Looking like an African Cinderella. Girl, you're the one. You blow my mind like a vuvuzela. You give me life. You gon' make me give you all of my cheddar. So I want you bad. I want you now. I want you now. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me dear. You do them fine. You too goddamn fine. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me dear. You do them fine. You too goddamn fine. Girl, you sweet like candy. My baby fancy. Acting like Mandy. You promise you gon' never leave me. You never leave me, you sweet like candy. My baby fancy. Yeah, acting like Mandy. You promise you gon' never leave me. You never leave me, yeah. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me dear. You do them fine. You too goddamn fine. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me dear.
Mid-morning
You
show,
do them fine.
have a blessed day.
You too goddamn fine.
Adwuma-Adwuma. Adwuma-Adwuma.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yeah, cannot be everything for the rush. As God the champagne with the pop. I'm not really asking for a lot. I'm just glad to be alive and not be all up for the talk. I try to hold my tongue sometimes. I'm just waiting in the zone, good time. The blessing just to over me now. What? And the goodness just to buckle me down. Come on. Now it's laughter for breakfast. We still like the cocoa. Champagne to quench all the thirst when you swallow. Private and first class, the way we to travel. It's not by my might, it's the God I follow.
Say, if a man really loves you, we no go hurt you, but he be here say. Cause I don't know that love is the only reason why you can be hurt in the first place. Love is blind, love is pain. Or to that white shirt, I than no bet you stain. Minya why you musu ebiana when you no two for you're more than what you saying. Yeah. Same man who make you cry. The mama now. Be the same man who go make you go smile. So no, Adwuma-Adwuma. So be for me.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Adwuma-Adwuma, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
I would like make you my baby. Power dream, my baby, my baby, my baby. Yeah, yeah.
If you I did want you, give me one chance, I will love you. Cause I be strong, man, nothing more too. Say my love, no get it back too.
Give me that chance, make I get to know ya. Give me that look, I go give you right back. Open up your heart, make me fall in love. I go show you to the world, now go keep it on the low.
You know go believe the type of memories I go give you.
Now tell me share when you are feeling me. Mommy, no.
I like me you, my baby. Fuck you, my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby,
my baby. I would like make you my baby. Power dream, my baby, my baby, my baby. Yeah.
Met this girl up in the club where I hook up asking name.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Adwuma-Adwuma, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
African lady, I saw the touch, she never they complain. Make you do some dancing, she throw that thing on me. She dey make her dey go. She dey make her dey go crazy. She dey make her dey go. She dey make her dey go crazy.
I gotta show you love, not your love.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Baby,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
are you there for mine? Yeah. And are you there for mine? Yeah. My girl, you know be like, yeah. And girl, I know go shy. Yeah. I wanna make you my wife. Whoa, yeah. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Girl, your body a corner, it be you I go follow. China no the bluff, oh no, baby, chelo style back, oh no, baby. Wine and boogie for me. Wine and go down for me.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Baby, if you mean to you, baby, tell me make I sing for you. Baby, who you are, the Anyanka, man, me ne want to me.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Make I sing, baby, me to you, baby, who you are, the Anyanka, man, me ne want to me. I'm more me there. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine. Every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind.
Making a who I'm bringing empty, yeah. So many I'm dark, me but I'm don't blame me. Yeah. Man, I know what I can't pay, man.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Oh, hey, I let you know that I'm alive. I just know yet, Bobo. Woman, you are amazing. Some we keep the fire blazing. Permanent, I put your name in my heart. No more erasing. Woman, you are amazing. No. Make we keep the fire blazing. No. Permanent, I put your name in my heart. No more erasing. No. Now you. Now you. My girl, I say for you, I know shy.
The mid-morning show. Have a pleasant day.
Make you never go dancing. Now you there for mine.
Baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
I respect you, Gina. I don't need to tell you, Gina. Too much for me, oh Gina. Like the way you do, oh Gina. Oh, Gina, you my Gina. Want to take you out on a dinner. I want to call you one more time now. Make you love again. Take my hand and fly away with me. I'm surely gonna miss you where you live. I don't know. Take my hand and fly away with me. Oh, surely gonna miss you where you live. I am dead for the matter. I go soon back for the matter. I not go fit too cool for the matter. Sit back, relax for the ride. You know I'm bad and I better. I saw all them with it so sure. Now only you for the matter. Now only you for the matter.
You're supposed to be my baby. You're supposed to give me baby one time.
Gina,
You're supposed to be my baby. You're supposed to give me baby one time. Gina, promise me now. You know go no.
I know Coco, no.
Baby, when I'm there, you're here with me. When I'm far away, oh, are you missing me? Oh, yeah. Adwuma-Adwuma.
Take my hand and fly away with me. I'm surely gonna miss you when you leave.
Ooh. Take my hand and fly away with me. Surely gonna miss you when you leave.
When you leave.
I don't die for the matter, and I will soon cry for the matter. I don't go fit to cool for the matter. Sit back, relax for the ride on. You know I'm bad and I better. I saw the girls with a tosha. Not only you for the matter, it's only you for the matter. Oh. You're supposed to be my baby. You're supposed to give me baby.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
The mid-morning show. Have a pleasant day.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
For me, say I never call you since, but I hope that you are well. I hope your market sell. Every day I dey pray for you. Make you Baba God bless you. I never forget.
Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
I cherish you with my life. Don't worry yourself, everything go day alright. And if anybody try you, know it's gonna be on sight. See my shoulder, make you rest up on me. You know I got you, let me be your friend in need. Money don't show now, I don't keep some for you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
But I hope that you are well. I hope your market sell. Every day I pray for you. Make you
God bless you. I never forget you. I go be forget you.
See my shoulder, make you rest up on me. You know I got you. Let me be your friend indeed. My money don't show now. I don't keep some for you. You know go so far. Cause anything I get now for me and you. Yeah. How are you, my friend?
How do you do, my friend?
I know sometimes it
Be like say nobody sent you. That's one I like. I did for you, my friend. Right, so exactly 33 minutes after 10. Beautiful Wednesday morning here on 93.3 FM. How do you do, my friend? Nobody sent you. That's one I like. I did for you, my friend. I hope you all checking up on your friends this morning. Anna, Shabu, I beg, bring the song back. I hope you all checking up on your friends. What's around up here now? On checking up on your friend now. Please kindly do check up on your friend because see, a friend in need is a friend indeed. That's right. So beautiful songs from Johnny. That's right. Hey, hey. See my shoulder, make you rest upon me. I got you. Now me be your best friend in need. The money don't show now. I don't keep some for you. And she was in there. Hey, how are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know so sometimes you be like say nobody sent you. That's one I like. I did for you, my friend.
How are you, my friend?
Begin your plans will be on here. Begin your plans as a short time we work for phone. I mean, what testing? How do you do, my friend? Charlie, check up on them. It's very necessary. If you haven't checked up on your friend this morning, kindly pick up your phone and just check up on them. That's right. It means a lot to. I mean, it may. Yeah.
Cherish you with my life.
You see, sometimes it's very beautiful. You know, waking up in the morning and seeing your friends checking up on you. I mean, they just want to know how you're doing, how you're faring. I know the most important gift a friend can ever give you is to just check up on you. So this morning, I urge you to check up on your friends and ask them how do they do and all. You see, it's very beautiful. Yeah. Folks, once again, you tune into 93.3 of Adwuma-Adwuma right here with me, myself, and I. My name still remains Ejenime Champion Boatin. Call me Kwabena Kwesti. I brand part the perfect gentleman, right? So, show produced by Super Duper DJ, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, and my man, Mr. Billy. I'm on the technical side, Mr. Billy. Oh, Hong Kong, your service is needed because this is another see on a Kumi spirit. I don't like it at all. Alright, so today happens to be the 19th day of the month April. And small, the month they don't end that too. Hey, maybe I will be out with TH Jumeji Ebiano. I'm more Kwaba. And about the best mid morning. baby. Right, so there Wednesday was definitely our daily dose of motivations will come in your way, and also lifestyle segment certainly will also come in your way. Today on lifestyle segments, I'll be telling you tips on how to break a bad habit and probably replace it with a new or a good one. So stick and stay, go nowhere. In a GF, let me say a very big thank you. So BBR will do a video at one. Once again, thank you again. And so BBR will trip whilst we went off. And those of you that called to check up on us to know the reason why we off, we here. Yeah, it was all for your good. Maintenance secondary. Oh yes, we're making sure say a great radio experience. So as we are back, we promise you nothing but the best of radio experience. You know what we can do, right? We are not bragging. Nah, we are not bragging at all. You know, from morning show to mid-morning, to the news, to the lunch, to the drive, to the after drive, and to our humachini day. We are all solid, we are all prepared, we are ever ready to serve you with great, good, and excellent radio content. Stay glued to your vow. This particular vow. Do not try to flip it. No, it's not good for your health. Not at all. Not at all. Alright, so in case you just tuned in, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Tete, if you speak ever F1, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awaza Yade, Fra Laone, if you speak Grushi Creator, if you speak in Zaman Cordier, if you speak fancy, me patcha won't today. Bibi Abakwana, we are sure there. Nyankopona Dom, Washa Oduna, Bibi Antonia, no one Samanyan. And those of you watching live on YouTube and Facebook from Uganda, those of you that speak Swahili, habari yako, what to say? One country, many animal, what to say? Bibi Abakwana, today happens to be Amaretha's birthday. But don't worry, I will get into that very soon, because our birthday will see a proper you. It's an Amaretha. Today happens to be your birthday. This is coming from a man DJ Shabo. Never say we should be a child. Sit down, don't worry. You must actually review. Alright, so quick shouts to my people, Miren Fibo. Shout out tonight about to us. And a big shout and come on, Mr. Orbin. What to say? And come on, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion. Mungina no pay what to say, Yankopando. Be a shop on some Hoya Nadia, Yankopon Washa Modo. I'm for a better man, Quine, Achmasan, Salum de Gambia. I send it for you in a new back up. Halfway and come on, last hour fast food joints. You know, watch my son and plus Money Taylor. Good morning. I want to say. Alright, Nanaya, we have organizer Bompire Johnson on the comforts. Good morning. Halfway and come Bra Michael on the Mahana and go for me and way dear Jai. Station call off on my basasa. And I'm saying, Mamma Munya would trade. Muntia, ya shut up on, ya see a baby and your memo. Now ya tight in your money. Ya babaka, wow, Philly. Ya buy one check in the say. Make us out 1 2 1 2 1 2. Which I can make us on the say. Let me catch you. It's Bra Michael. OSD Johnson. What am I, Hannah? Original special gobe joints. And that's it. Exclusive beauty saloon SDA Johnson halfway. OT rejoice if you have been SDA. Shouts to all the SDA boys as well. Kojo Bafira, Solo Zuzu. Good morning. And come on halfway. And come on. Parties Golden Scissors. Madame Letitia. And Wafa Papa B. Janice Fashion. And come on Charities Fashion. And now for Yaji o Yaji. Yaji said, come now, chain the doors home in our tray. Yeah, you no pay what to say. Oh, I come in Johnson, and I'll say quality fashion. Share on my buy Liberty Transport inside wa. Na Kwame Taylor, they be a brofubi or the things in the idea. I say me for of yam of one breno. And the one what the idea of yam of work or Shabu wouldn't see a drew on Kwame Taylor and Timian Kawan where they say. When Timian Casa. They be a Kwame Taylor the brofu service. I was there. When person met here brofuni be a mutual for yam of one corner brofuni zunja. But the fiam of world on my Kwame Taylor and Timianka high poet Timianka. Anyways, Kwame Taylor, I want to say, what they all master Mr. Sari. What quality fashion, Liberty Transport inside. Good morning. And come on. You always. Big shouts and come on, Madam Pats. Madam Pats, I want to say our government hospital, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nana Joa. I'll pay you, Chichamina. To my able